And when you're climbing and you don't see where your next landing point is, or the next crevice, it's hard to take that leap, that swing, that grab, because we don't know what's on the other side. He surely didn't know what was on the other side of a lot of those steps he took. But that's what was important about those steps. Because once you start taking it, even if the staircase wasn't there, I guarantee there are people around you who are willing to build that staircase if you are willing to take those steps.
Rise up, high like a day, I'll rise up, in spite of